This journey didn't start in a lab. It started with a question. Paano ba gumawa ng skincare na tunay? Natural, safe, and effective. I studied and got a diploma as a cosmetic chemist. And being a certified naturopath, I found a way to blend both, combining nature and science to create clean beauty. It wasn't always easy. Maraming trial and error, endless formulation tests, but it's okay. As long as at the end of the day, beautiful and effective skincare products are formulated. And that's the intention. To always create products with purpose. Formulas that heal, that protect, for me, my family, and my clients. From mixing raw ingredients to building my own brand, every step was built with intention. This isn't just skincare. This is a story of patience, passion, and purpose. This is my story, and this is just the beginning. Do you also have a dream of creating your skincare products? Let me know in the comments below.